Welcome back. In today's editing tutorial I will show you how to I created this amazing photo effect step by step. First I added a beautiful background to make the image more attractive. Then I adjusted the opacity to blend the photo naturally. After that I used the border option to give the subject a clean outline. Next I applied the blender tool for a smooth and realistic mirage. I also used the erasers to remove unwanted edges and make the edit look perfect. Finally, I enhanced the image with a stylish filter to give it a professional finish. And that's it, an easy editing trick that anyone can follow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do not forget to